Tom's getting ready to hook up his trailer so they can go dump today. But if you notice that, it's going to have to be at an angle or we're going to have to move too. Whoopsie-doo. We weren't thinking about that when we parked here. So I'm going to videotape this just to see how difficult it is. Okay, Tom's getting in the truck now. Scotty's going to help watch or assist, whatever he needs to do. Okay, let's hope this works, guys. Tom's first time backing up in an angle. Go, Tom. Go, Tom. They have an Alpha fifth wheel. I love the design on it and how it says see ya, because Tom and Lori are see ya. So it's really cool how they decorate their fifth wheels. I've seen some with bright sun on them, with really colorful. So the Alpha Sias are really cool on the outside. I like that they're mostly white with the sun on it. It's pretty cool. There's Lori putting in the steps. Look at her go, girl. You go, girl, with those gloves on. Okay. Whoa. Oh, shit. Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to say that. Hopefully everything's okay. Okay, you guys, got it all hooked up. Yay! They did it. He's moving the rig now. Let's hope he can get out with it and not take off our rig. Oh, there he goes. Oh, close one, isn't that? Sorry. Yay. They cleared it. That's how close they were, you guys. See? Nice and close. They did it. Woohoo. We didn't have to move our rig. You go, Tom. And they're all ready to go dump their rig. Check that angle out. Oh, they did it. See ya. Off to the dumping grounds. Oh, it tilts a lot, doesn't it?
So it's a project day.
Project day. We got a new scare light
So here's the old one. Tom's taking it down. It was very dull. And we liked our front light that's LED so much better. And we had an issue the other night where the front light wasn't coming on because the back light was on.
Yeah,
so when we talked to our Leisure Coachworks guy, he said, is the back one LED? And we said no. And so he gave us a deal on a new one.
We wanted an LED regardless.
We've been wanting one anyway. But this sucker is gonna be bright. So Tom's replacing it today. Had a little bit of confusion because the wires are different colors. So even the wires that were on that light and up there didn't match, right?
Yeah.
So they don't match, and then the one on the back of the new one don't match.
Yeah. Black is hot, white is
the negative.
Negative on the light. But coming out of the trailer, green is hot and white is negative. So going into this,
you got red and black.
Green goes to red and the white goes to the black because I'm going to use red as positive.
So hopefully that works. But you and Dave tested it, the wires,
yeah.
right? So,
yeah.
Okay.
So now I got to go back up and clean the side of the rig off, let it dry, get the wires, the wire nuts. And
fun stuff. You have fun with that. I've got banana bread in the oven. I'll see you later.
Use some buell tape on it around here and die-cord here, die-cord the screws on the inside, die-cord the holes into the side of this, and then put a bead of die-cord all the way around the outside of it. I think that's going to hold it, hopefully. So when you're in Quartzsite and you're boondocking out in the desert, it gives you time to get around to finally getting some of those projects done. Things need work. So
perfect.
Dave from our endeavor is repairing his steps because they broke, right?
They had a big crack in them. They weren't broken yet, but they had a big crack in them. I knew for the last 2 months I needed to do something with them.
You just using zip ties?
Yeah, just whatever I got. Whatever I got. I don't have any, I don't know where my roll of electrical tape is, otherwise I'd wrap it up with that.
What? You want to see what we're doing?
What are you doing?
We're gonna decorate pumpkin cookies. I got them on
January.
I got them on clearance.
So we're gonna have old cookies.
No, they're good through June of 2020, so they're fresh. 5 more months left.
Oh, look who's here!
Yeah, look who's gonna have fun with me.
Candace.
So we're not really making pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns. We're just doing whatever we want.
So what is going on?
So there's
Really?
thickening with icing, little frostings. Let me share that one.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of cookies.
Yeah. 16.
All right.
Lots of yummies. Hopefully they're yummy. We don't know. It'll be fun playing anyway. Even if they don't taste yummy.
How long is it going to take? Are they done yet?
Yeah, they're done. Oh, that's right, huh?
Are we there yet?
Not quite. We're not done. Look at Candace's cute one. She's making a vampire.
What are you making?
Hey, these are in the Halloween spirit right now. Rawr. Well, let's see. Now I'm making me nervous.
She can't be
Making you nervous?
You're the YouTube queen.
Oh no.
Yeah. Everybody knows camping with the Kellys. Tom and Lori RV Life who?
Yeah. You guys are always got friends over.
Why are you making triangles on those?
Because I feel like it.
Oh, that is so cute. Creative, Lori.
Yeah, she's something, all right.
She is a crafting queen.
You two are like little kids. Both
That was
of
fun. We might have to bake some more so we can decorate some more.
both of yous.
Ta-da! That was fun. We're gonna definitely have to do like Christmas cookies together too.
Yes.
How about a pie?
Get the frost.
How about a pie?
A pie?
How about some pecan pie?
I can do that. I actually have the
Ooh,
stuff
that
to make
sounds
one.
delicious.
It does.
Oh, isn't that sweet? You get a little gold star.
Here, let me draw one under for you.
And there's even some candy left.
There is. There you go. There's nothing to use them for. Ah, they are like jawbreakers.
The end of another Throw Up Thursday. What there was of it. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it very much. Each and every one of you. We love you. Make sure you're, if you're not a subscriber, click the subscribe button. We'd like to have you come along and join our journey, join our family, get notified every time we put up a new video if you click the bell. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.